Hello and welcome back to my channel. Google Keep is a free and simple note-taking application. Its simplicity makes it easy to jot down notes. It seamlessly integrates with other Google apps such as Google Drive and Google Docs and Gmail. It has collaboration features. Google Keep is also cross-platform on all major operating systems including Android, macOS, iOS, and Windows. A major con of Google Keep is that it can't import from other note-taking apps such as Evernote. A second con is that you cannot organize your notes into folders. You can only add labels to notes for organization. And a final con is that there's no desktop app. You are limited to using a browser or using the mobile app. Overall, Google Keep is a good note-taking app for basic note-taking needs. However, if you need a more advanced features such as rich text formatting, folder organization, or a desktop app, you may want to consider a different note-taking app. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you next time.